Heartbeat, heartbeat. Oh, you got a beautiful heartbeat. Beautiful heartbeat. Beautiful heartbeat. You got a beautiful heartbeat. Look, see, she was about 5'7", brown skin, straight 10. The baddest in the city and the finest of her friends. Baby girl is fine, I ain't talking emotion. I let her ride the ride, baby girl will coast in. It's over, gotta let the side chicks go. She rides my highs every time I feel low.
Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bianca here with another video. So today I wanted to do a video to pretty much clean out my closet. Okay, I've got so much stuff in my closet and I'm so sick and tired of going in there and not being able to find anything to it. For it taking me forever to put something together. So I just thought today, since I'm being so open with you guys, that I would, you know, do this with you. I have so much stuff in my closet. I have in my closet from back in high school. I have stuff in my closet from when somebody said they didn't want this anymore and asked me if I wanted it, and of course I took it. I have stuff from when I used to go relentlessly shop and spend so much money on clothes. Literally guys, if I showed you, you would see nothing but stuff with tags on. But that was 3 years ago, and now that stuff's just worn. I don't really want it. I'm so sick of everything in my closet. I really want to upgrade everything. That's really the whole purpose of doing this video. And also too, I kind of want to give back. I already have a bag, like a whole big bag of clothes and like suitcases and stuff that I don't need, that's been waiting since pre-COVID. It's been sitting there, I know. I like to give them to homeless shelters or orphanages, people who are actually going to get the clothes for free, not somebody who's gonna have to go to Goodwill and have to pay. If people don't have money, why are we, you know, these people can't afford money, why are we donating clothes for them to go and sell them? Makes no sense. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that today, and so stay tuned. Literally, the idiot that made this closet was disrespectful. I literally cannot, okay, like I'll show you guys. It's this door. I can only go in but this much. It's like, I'm kidding. I can go all the way back here, and then there's more space back here, but I really don't know. But for the most part, keep everything color coordinated. Everything's really where it needs to be. I don't even know where to start, to be honest. I'll start here with the pinks and reds. Like this stuff, like. Okay, sometimes I still wear this shirt, so I'm gonna keep this. I still wear this shirt too. I don't know where to wear it to, but I still wear this, so I'm gonna keep this too. This shirt, this is one of the shirts where I think I was talking about this in one of my videos. It was my mom's. Honestly guys, a lot of the tops that were my mom's, it's so hard for me to give away. She's no longer with us. Anything that I have of hers, like, it's probably gonna be in my closet till the day I'm like old and like cringed over. My mom was super fashionable. I always feel a lot closer to her when I'm wearing her stuff or when I see it in my closet. This shirt is, I'm gonna give it to my grandmother for Christmas. Honestly, that shirt is made in America. It's from this company that I used to work for. This top, somebody gave it to me. Honestly, I've been holding on to it, but I really don't know what the to do with it. I don't know. I'm gonna try something with it, but I think I'm gonna give it up. Can't wear that anymore. It's kind of cute. I'm gonna give this away too. I don't really need it or want to wear it. I have a cream colored one like this. I have 2 of these. I feel like I need to try on all this stuff too. Like, I think another reason why I'm a clothes hoarder is because I feel like I can use everything. I can always wear it with something later down the line. This is cute and all, but like, when am I ever gonna wear this? Nothing in my closet is trendy at all. I've probably had this sweater thing since probably high school. It's so hot in here. Dang, which one do you guys think I should keep? The brown or the white one? I feel like the brown one. Whatever. I'm gonna put it to the side. I'm gonna put all the stuff that I'm thinking about maybe, I'm gonna put it to the side. This is so hard. I'm gonna give this away too. Unless I could, oh my gosh, this is so hard. This is really not cleaning out my closet because my closet's pretty organized. It's just only certain places that I have to do. You know what, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna see what I like about it. Yeah, this is a maybe. This might could be cute with something. I'm gonna let these go too, because I don't wear these either. It's just like regular. I'm never gonna wear it. Just keep it. You weren't even thinking about it. Like also too, this is something that somebody gave me and I still to this day don't know how to fucking wear it. It's like only one shoulder. I tried to wear it once like a cover up, but it was mad awkward, so I'm gonna give it away. Gonna give this skirt away. Maybe it could be really cute for somebody if they're going to work or something like that. Give it away. Never gonna wear this skirt. Like I said, like a lot of this stuff is from my corporate life. I'm never gonna wear any of this stuff anymore, so it really probably could bless somebody in one of those shelters if they're trying to go get a job or something like that. Even though all that stuff might be dated, it still doesn't matter. It could still help somebody in the long run. You never know. Like I had this shirt forever from H&M. Like somebody could really probably best. I had like 20 shirts that's black like this with like the opening. So I'm sad I have to let that part because I did have that shirt for a long time. That was one of my favorite working shirts. But it's like I said, it's okay. You know, I have like 20 million shirts with the split open like that. That can really be used by somebody. Doesn't show too much. Or maybe they're going on a date. I don't know. This shirt too, also I'm sad to let go. One of my favorite work shirts. I mean, like I said, all this stuff, like honestly guys, it really is just so dated. It really is. I have like a lot of pieces in my closet. I don't have anything that is, if you look at it, you're not gonna be like, oh my god, like I want this, like let me have it. But somebody else could really be blessed by it. And I still like that shirt. I think it's a cute basic black shirt with flace on it. And like I'm so into like the big t-shirt thing. I remember like this was this guy, he was a lawyer and he was giving away a lot of his clothes. I knew him from Bible study. Really cool guy. He gave me like 2 shirts. I have a pink one inside my closet, but I'm gonna keep that one because I actually wear it. But this one I don't. I really do like the oversized jacket stuff, but like I said, somebody else could use this shirt more than I could. I'm never going to wear it. It's in my closet just sitting there. See, like I'm saying, I have the same exact shirt except for this one's more trendier. It's, well, the split's a lot more open and it's a bodysuit, so I like this one better. This shirt's cute. And I've always been so mad about this shirt because I've had it for so long, but I've only gotten to wear it like once or twice. Maybe I could make something else with it. I could give it away.
Make something else with it.
Give it away.
Hey, make something else with it.
No guys, I don't know, but like I need to get some of this out of my closet. I need like a clothes order. It's sick. Another one of my favorite cardigans, but it's okay. Somebody else can use it. God, it's so hard because I feel like everything in my closet at this point has sentimental value. All the stuff that I know I'm never gonna wear again, but I've had it for so long, so many memories with a lot of this stuff that I think I'm not ready to let go. And I think that's like the #1 rule in hoarding. A bunch of people who just hold shit from their past. Why? It's clothes. It's okay. The memory is still there. You're never gonna wear this ever again. Let it go. This shirt away. And this shirt was always really so comfy when I was at work. I don't need it anymore. This dress, I'm never gonna wear it. In fact, it's too small for me. Oh my god, yeah, this dress is so spicy. I want to wear this dress someplace one day in my life. If you guys have ever seen that video with my case, Beyonce in it, the dress looks literally like that. If you guys look at what she was wearing in that video, if I can find it and put it in here without any copyright, I'll definitely show you guys. So cute. I can't wait till the day I can wear it. Somebody gave me this too. And when I wear this, ooh, baby. Like this dress, it's super cute. I've never worn it like ever. And I've had it for years. And I always say, okay, I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna wear it. I think that's why I never gave it away the other times that I give away clothes. Like I said, like let me stop being selfish with some things, like cause this doesn't have sentimental value. I only kept it for so long because it's so cute. And I'm like, I don't know when I'll ever be able to wear it again. I'm never gonna wear it like ever. And the funny thing is, okay, so this dress is like totally like a thought dress. I don't know if I want to give it up because you know what? I still be in my thought ways. I feel like this would be so cute with my short haircut. I don't know who the fuck made this but somebody made it and they gave it to me. And it has like all these openings and like, I'm gonna try it on really quickly and see if I want to keep it 1 second. Actually, guys, I think I might keep it. It's actually really cute. I can't believe I never wore it before. But it looks so good on me now. Probably 10 times better on me now than it would have years ago when I got it. Totally little cute little number. I bet you'd see off of Fashion Nova someplace. I'm gonna keep it. It's super cute. Ooh, the next time I step out after quarantine, it's a fit for the club. Next time I step out after the quarantine, yeah, this is a fit for the club. I'm gonna walk out like I'm the baddest bitch ever. Oh, hey there. I didn't see you. Since I'm trying on stuff, I wanted to show you guys the dress I was talking about. This is the dress, guys. show you without the lighting. It's not good at all. But like this is the dress. It's super revealing, but like I feel like if I pulled it down a little bit, it would be so classy to wear to like a little event. This is Miami. You know, in Miami you can dress sexy as you want to. It just has to be fitting for the occasion. And I feel like anytime I would step out in this, I would be the baddest. And it looks so much better now that my hair is short. Like, okay, I see you, girl.
J Glad Music.
Like some pieces I'm so happy that I was like, okay, yeah, thank you, I'm gonna take it, like I'll take it. The other pieces is like, I know it was kind of iffy when they asked me, but then sometimes I don't want to be mean, so I just take it anyway, because I don't know why people just know that I'm gonna take their own clothes. They give it to me, and some things I'm happy I take, because like it could be something like this or that dress, like it's a hidden gem that I've never worn before, I've had for years, but it's in my closet and it's gonna stay there because it's cute. Like for instance this top, like I'm not sure how no, I don't think I want to keep it. It was mad awkward even when I used to wear it to work, like all buttoned up, but I'm trying to see if I want to keep it now, like maybe tied, but even now I don't think it's something that I want to keep. I just don't see what I would wear it with, you know? So like I'll just give this away. Maybe I might try to take some pictures before I give it away and then like just give it away because I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it in life ever again. I was trying to see if maybe I might, you know, maybe if somebody asked me to go on a cute little dinner date or brunch, I could wear it as a top like this, but no. It's not looking like this is something that I would want to wear. So I'm going to give it a progress. It's literally so hot in my closet. It's so hot and I have the air conditioner on and the ceiling fan on. I wish I didn't eat, like, so literally I brought Snicker bar ice creams yesterday and I would be lying if I said the whole box isn't gone by today. Got them yesterday evening and by today, this afternoon, they were gone. Just 5 in a pack. I'm really fat, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. See, like, to have to go all the way to the back of that fucking closet. Oh my god, I used to love this dress. I forgot I had it, to be honest. See, that's one of the things that I hate, because it's like, I haven't seen this dress in years, probably, like fucking years. Because literally, to get to the back of my closet, there's no way you're getting back there. So I don't even venture back there to see what's even back there, okay? I know that was a play on of words, but I'm gonna give this dress away. Let me not even think about it too much. Let me just give it away, girl. You haven't worn it in years. Stop thinking about how you can wear it later because you're not even gonna wear it like that then. Just give it away. Bye, dress. And I'm never gonna wear it. It's literally a basic black dress. Into the dungeon I go. Another dress, had it since college, completely forgot I had it, and it is so cute, but I bet you I cannot fit it because I remember even back in the day this was like a shirt on me and I was dead trifling for wearing it to school. It was so cute, such a beautiful color. I'm gonna try this on later, probably give it to Kinsley, my little cousin. It's literally that short, y'all, and I don't remember ever it being that short. It just like shrunk overnight. I'm gonna try it on later. And speaking of hot, oh my god, I will never forget little story time. One day, me and some people were going to this little place called whatever. It's like a little Caribbean spot. And I'll never forget, we were all in the car. It was cold as a mother. Like, this is the time when Miami where it gets a little breezy. So I'll never forget this girl that I knew, her brother had the car window door open. And I was just like, oh my god, can you please roll up your window? It's so cold back here and nobody could hear us. And finally it got quiet. And I remember I was like, so-and-so, let's say his name was John. I was like, John, why are you so hot? And my friend starts hitting my leg, right? And then everybody just gets quiet and I'm like, what? I'm saying it's because it's cold and he has the window down. Like, can you roll your window up? That got everybody's attention. It was funnier when you'd have to be there. It's one of those kind of things. Also, one of my old work faves, like literally, it's like I said, it's a dress I had since high school. Nothing special about it, but somebody else could be really blessed by this dress. I'm never gonna wear it again. Bye-bye dress. So guys, that's all for today. I felt like I was really gonna have so much stuff, but like I said, I'm gonna really feel this when I'm ready to move, God willing, by the end of this year. I'm really gonna feel it because it's gonna be so much stuff I'm gonna have to get rid of because I'm sure I'm not gonna want to take it with me, and so it's gonna be annoying, but whatever. We did the best we could today. I'm so happy with the progress that I have made. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's always just better to pack light. I'm having a hard time with it right now, but eventually I'm gonna get into the swing of it, especially if every time I go in my closet I can't find anything to wear. This is gonna annoy the fuck out of me. Yeah, make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about me because I need more subscribers. Okay, pretty peace and thank you. Anyway guys, I love you. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.
She boosts my pride every time it seems to go. Oh my God, what a prize, let us behold. She the queen of all queens, that's how it seems. Every time she in the room, she don't blink. She gotta keep a goal focus. One thing you don't notice, you my flavor, now come and pour it all on me, baby.
Happiness, I enjoy happiness,
and I enjoy love,
and I enjoy.
Just give me your flavor.
We gon' mix it up, we gon' mix it up.
See, I enjoy everything,
I enjoy everything,
and I enjoy life,
and I enjoy life.
Just give me your flavor, and we gon' be alright. Beautiful heartbeat, beautiful heartbeat. Oh, you got a beautiful heartbeat.